That one is a fairly long story, but to get to the point, I actually applied directly to Mugaritz. And I'd say I didn't get it at the first try. I actually got rejected the first time, but I kept on trying. I said to myself, this is what I want to do, this is what I want to achieve in my life, and I kept, basically naging makulit ako. I emailed the head of HR, and then they redirected me to the other HR of Mugaritz. And that's where the correspondence came, that's where the first rejection came, but I still kept on going. I emailed them again, and even emailed Anthony Adoriz himself in LinkedIn. And then eventually at the selection process, which is during October to November, they said, okay, we will email you. The acceptance came at December 20th in the evening, which was 6 days after my birthday. And I said it was like the most ecstatic email that I could ever get. And that year, 2016, it completed my whole year for once I get accepted. So I worked the visas, I worked everything else, and I flew to Mugaritz. I started my life as part of one of the best restaurants in the world. So, and being there, I can definitely say it's not for everyone. One, you have to love it. You have to love the profession, and you're not only competing just being there. You're also competing with other nationalities who think probably they are better than you, which you have to constantly prove yourself. Which I actually did. You know, it's testament for me being able to finish a whole year in Mugaritz. Because some people don't actually finish. You know, some people quit. Some people quit one day of being there, they quit. But being there, learning the things that you would actually learn, like different techniques that you would probably never see in your life, probably here locally or probably somewhere else. It's there. And camaraderie, network. Oh my God, the network that you would actually get. You know, I already have close friends in Barcelona, close friends in Mexico, Korea, Lebanon. You know, the connection that you would build, the network that you would actually build is there. And the testimony from even the owners, even Danny Lasa, which is, I don't know, I think one of the most underrated people in Mugaritz. He's the right-hand man of Anthony ever since it was open. And to get his confidence, to get, you know, in Spanish, confianza, for you to be there and congratulate you personally, write a very heartfelt message in the Mugaritz book, which everyone does. To have that, it's really rewarding. Yeah, I would definitely recommend Filipinos to go abroad. But first, you have to know what you want to do. I mean, if you want to go to a hotel, you want to go to a freestanding restaurant, which, you know, a freestanding restaurant is basically not inside a hotel. But definitely, it's an experience worth taking, because you would actually be able to test whatever you learn in school over abroad, in hotel, probably in a restaurant. And of course, there will be lots of competition, in the sense that you're competing for, I don't know, favors for different head chefs and everything else, and which you will learn in school. I mean, the fundamentals of it. But definitely, that chance is worth taking. For those of you who are just, you know, aspiring chefs and current cooks, I've always thought the word mise en place, to put everything in place, is very important. It's not just in the kitchen, but putting everything in place, like, you know, courage, your passion, just everything there. It's like a list that you have to have. It's deeper than just, you know, put everything in place. I mean, you just have to put everything in place, really, as you start in this career, because it would be, at the start, it's very grueling. It's not glamorous. Definitely not glamorous. If you're in this for the glamour, then this is not the career path for you. That word mise en place, you know, just put it to heart. Put everything in place. You know, it's more profound than you can ever hear or say here in the kitchen or even outside there. It's what you have to carry for yourself 16 hours a day. Learning is not just getting new things, it's also the mastery of what has already been learned. So I'll leave it up there. Plan your career in a way that you're planning your whole life. So in that sense, it's also putting it in place. So mise en place, always.